Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage the Google Ads Transparency Center to uncover valuable competitor insights. Let's dive in. So first you're going to open your browser and in Google or wherever, search for Google Ads Transparency Center. You're going to click on the official link to land on the Transparency Center homepage. Next, what we want to do is type in your competitor's name or their website URL into this search bar right here. For this particular example, we're going to use Nike. All right, and this will bring up any active or past ads associated with their brand. You can see all of the different Nike ads here. There's a lot of them. And then you can even use the filter options. Like you can filter by date range, you can filter by country, and you can filter by platform on which the ads were shown. This really helps you zero in on the specific markets, timeframes, platforms to see how their strategies evolve. Okay, and with this information, one thing that you can do is really study their ad headlines, their calls to action, any promotional offers. You want to look for patterns and what resonates with your shared audience, but make sure you're learning, not copying. You need to differentiate yourself by filling gaps they might be missing that, highlight your own company's strengths. And then finally, you can synthesize all of this information and use these insights to refine your own Google Ads strategy. Whether it's adjusting your keywords, testing new ad formats, or creating compelling offers, this data can help you stand out. And that's it. This is how you use the Google Ads Transparency Center to stay one step ahead of the competition. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help.